Did you know that if you order a test kit from safehometestkits.com before 1 p.m. Eastern, we will ship same day? If you miss that 1 p.m. cutoff, it will still ship out next day. We pride ourselves on excellent customer service and fast shipping. The last thing that you want to deal with when you're dealing with drinking water problems is shipping issues. And so we want to make sure that you get your kits as fast as possible. And one of the things that helps with that immensely is the fact that we own and operate our own warehouse. So all of our shipments go out of our warehouse just across town, right here in Madison, Indiana. That means that in a lot of instances, we actually ship faster than Amazon, which means you will get your kit sooner than if you order it from Amazon. Whenever you call us to resolve an issue, we can do it right then and there, because while we're communicating with you, we can also be communicating with our warehouse at the exact same time. And so we can resolve issues at lightning speed, lightning fast, which basically means that in every way, we are better than Amazon. So what are you waiting for? If you're not already on safehometestkits.com right now watching this video, head over there, buy a test kit. If you don't know which test kit to buy, give us a call and our customer service team will be happy to help you figure it out. I'm too wordy. My wife is right.